guys, yung ating kasi, ang ating Biblia ay sinaad po dun sa Genesis chapter 1 tsaka 2 na we are made by the image of God. Hindi po tayo naging unggoy muna bago po tayo naging tao. So, of course, sa theory po kasi ni Charles Darwin, sa theory of evolution na naging unggoy muna tayo, dumaan tayo sa iba't ibang proseso. Pero hindi. Sa ating Panginoon ay nilikha niya po si Eva at Adan sa sa image niya. So of course, wag tayo po mga tao ay we did not hindi tayo nag-go through sa evolution na kung saan tayo po ay unti-unting nagbabago or naging unggoy muna bago po tayo naging tao. So, teaching natin for today, the Bible gives us a true account of creation. The Bible affirms the literal Adam, and the Bible will endure and stand the test of time. So, as Christians, dapat po hindi tayo maniwala sa theory of evolution kasi it is indicated in the Bible that it is clear in the Bible that we have a start or from the beginning we are human. We are we are created in the image of our God. So we must not mix it up with other theories because it is indicated talaga truly in the Bible na we are created in the image of God, not uh, we are not created in the image of gorillas, monkeys, pero mga monkey. So, ayun lang po ako si Godfrey Quezon. This is my devotion for today, October 9. Sana po ay marami kayong tutunan. Ayun lang po, and God bless.